Today is World Environment Day and Happy Environment Day. Just because today is World Environment Day doesn't mean that today we notice all the pollution that we are making and don't realize how much we are polluting all the rest of the year. Well, that's because we are polluting every single day so much. And if we do World Environment Day every day, that would be so good for us and the world. Because if every day was your birthday, how would it feel? Well, that's exactly how the earth feels if Environment Day is every day. Every year, World Environment Day has a theme, and this year, 2021, theme is ecosystem restoration. We damage the ecosystem a lot. Well, there's deforestation, water pollution, acid rains, so many things. There are also wildfires, and the most important thing, the thing that humans are making the most effective thing, plastic. It's everywhere. It's like the evil force that took over the world. It's everywhere. In our houses, everywhere. If you think about it, it's in the dumpsters, in our houses, in our bedrooms, in our kitchens. Where isn't it? In the oceans too. And if you think about it, in space too. So where isn't it? And it isn't a small thing either. This is how much plastic that's in our house, and that's not much. And this is how much plastic there is in our street. Well, okay, but yeah, that's still not much. And this is how much plastic there is in our city. Wow, that's dangerous. So imagine how many cities there are in the world, how much plastic there is. Imagine how much. And there are about 1.5 billion water bottles sold every, not year, not month, not week, every day. Every single day there are 1.5 million water bottles. And that times 365? Well, you do the math and post what your answer is down in the comment box. Get plastic every day into our houses without even realizing it. Because if we want to buy something like a carton of eggs or something, or groceries, fruits or vegetables, we buy them and the person puts it in a bag and gives it to us. And the bag is made out of plastic. So think of all the things we buy. Then we get the bag and get it into our houses. And the plastic will go up, 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 and up. And that's so much plastic. So imagine how much plastic that is. The sea is filling up with plastic, and plastic bags and everything just float in the surface, and sometimes marine animals eat them thinking it's food. And there's so much plastic, it just floats around in the surface. And the nets are very harmful to turtles, and they might get trapped in the nets and they might not get out. And plastic is doing very much harm. And when plastic is left for so much long time in the water, it just breaks into thousands of pieces. And the tiny particles fish think they're food and just eat them. When humans eat the fish that have consumed the tiny plastic particles, it leads to many diseases such as cancer. Whenever we go out, we're supposed to use bags like this one. These are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and they're washable and reusable. If we use them, it'll reduce the amount of plastic we use. And it lasts for many, many years. In my home, we always use bags like these wherever we go all the time. Come on, brother, you can tell some tips. Hi! I'm going to be telling you some more tips. Whenever we go to the shopping for vegetables, fruits, we can carry these cloth bags. These are made from cloth and don't use any plastic. So it can do a great reduce in the amount of plastic we're using every day. And one more thing. Reusable water bottles. As my brother said, we are not supposed to use plastic water bottles. So the answer for that is using reusable water bottles. These are very healthy and they do not use any plastic at all. I highly recommend drinking from copper water bottles, which copper is very good at purifying water and is very healthy to the person who is drinking it. And also clay pots are very, very healthy to drink from because it makes the water so much healthy to drink. And it also cools down the water in summer. Please save the nature, save the future. నేచర్ని ఎట్లాగా హ్యూమన్స్ డిస్ట్రాయ్ చేశారో చౌరస్తా టీం వాళ్ళు ఒక సాంగ్ని కంపోజ్ చేశారు. ఆ సాంగ్ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో ఉంది, చూడండి. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below in the comment section. Bye!